In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off notifications on Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to manage various notifications such as mail notifications or even document notifications, just log in to your Outlook account and then go to Settings gear here and click on it. From here, go to General, and under General, go to Notifications. This will show you some of the notifications that have been enabled. And as per my account, I'm always notified when I have an email, calendar event reminder, or even documents. Now to turn them off, you can turn off or on specific ones by toggling these buttons that are next to them, and this will be affected. However, if you want this to apply to all these others, then you can use this option notifications in Outlook, and by toggling this off, all the other types of notifications will be disabled, or to enable them, just turn this on by toggling it, and all the other types of notifications will be enabled. So that's how you can manage your notifications in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.